Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Me man, remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Teacher's latest album still at the numbers, viewers and subscribers. No matter of fact, we hear some people and make some talk. I say the album flop. Viewers and subscribers, if you didn't hear nobody will say that, give them a tissue for their issue, viewers and subscribers, and shit them a chat. The album has just cracked the European top 100 charts, viewers and subscribers. And when I say Europe, me attack places like Italy, places like Switzerland, places like France, viewers and subscribers, and the album reached number 2 in Canada. Still do well in North America. So we just put that into perspective. But Europe, viewers and subscribers, has been long dominated by reggae artists. That is a fact. That is a fact, viewers and subscribers. Me no see no other dancehall artists over there on no charts. We know Spice did do it in Russia recently. And big up artists like Tamili Sparta. As a dancehall artist, him have a strong fan base in Europe. But not every dancehall artist can say this, viewers and subscribers. And as a matter of fact, the album was released by an independent label. When last you see an independent label release the production and get this worldwide recognition? I have never seen it. As a matter of fact, the last time I probably see it, I when Vybz Kartel himself they do it, viewers and subscribers. King of the dancehall. Talk to me, man. Talk to me, man, viewers and subscribers. We are some people that make some talk. We not pay the naysayers no mind. We just put it into perspective so that the fans, the viewers, the subscribers can know really what take place. We have some people also ask for how many copies have been sold. Now, viewers and subscribers, there has been no official confirmation yet, because remember, we are factoring different charts and different platforms where music can be purchased. So until we have official confirmation from all these different platforms, viewers and subscribers, we are unable to go no a definite number. Because we can go no a number now, and within the next couple seconds it change. So we are waiting from official confirmation, viewers and subscribers, and that is why we're not going to know how much copies have been sold as yet. But we can look on the chart placement. The album no need no ladder. When we go on with the key, we will lock the place same way, viewers and subscribers, and that is exactly what the teacher I do right now. The teacher has also, viewers and subscribers, shown a different side of his versatility, viewers and subscribers. Yes, these are some of the best love songs I've ever heard for the ladies. Uncle Dexter Daps alone must could have compare in this modern age. Big up all other artists who represent for the ladies over the years. You know what I mean? But we are talking about right now in these modern times. Dexter Daps alone will say I put out the song that the ladies them react to. So other than that, a Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Hey, at the teacher alone must say I do this. As a matter of fact, the teacher have features upon the album. Yeah, Jesse upon the album, Protege upon the album. I get that reggae vibe too at the same time. But if you listen to the song, them viewers and subscribers, the fusion sound is evident. Me have a continuously talk about the fusion sound. The way the teachers find a way to give us that fusion sound, but keep the songs authentically sounding dancehall, viewers and subscribers. And I am an advocate for this. As long as it is a Jamaican artist doing a track and he must speak patois upon it, and him himself said this song when me that make it, in my point of view, a dancehall was the direction, but me add a little fusion to it. Me not care what kind of beat it depend. Me not care where in the world it was released or recorded. I still dancehall to me. Me say Sizzla Kalonji signed to Def Jam and put out music where I'm record in America. What I say? Sizzla Kalonji was a rapper at one point in time. Una say Sizzla did switch from reggae. Sizzla has never switched from nothing. I don't know if Sizzla switching from nothing. viewers and subscribers, but the artists recorded those songs in North America. And beats were sound hip-hop. Yeah, but when you hear the concept of the song, the lyrical composition, the lyrical content, the context of the statements being made, of course it was reggae and dancehall, viewers and subscribers. There's no doubt about that. And the teacher has done it again in these modern times. Very few artists have found a way to maintain that balance. But the teacher has done it. And Europe has showed them support. Italy, big up Italy, viewers and subscribers. The teacher have a big track over there with a big artist from over there called Foreplay in C minor, viewers and subscribers. Big track. And that track was just a track from her and a recorded track from the teacher. I want to see the reaction when Italy has show to the track. Me I say, yo, Europe say Gaza. There's no doubt in my mind. Say Europe say Gaza. Europe say Vybz Kartel. Europe say dancehall and reggae. Yeah man, Europe say that, viewers and subscribers. Crack the top 100. No ordinary feat. And any dancehall artist can do it. I am looking forward though to seeing other artists do it as well, because we want the dancehall genre to reclaim its place, that international status where it used to have. And one artist can't do it. The teacher tell you all the while, work hard, young artists, work hard. And the teachers and artists will also help other aspiring artists and other musicians as well. Whether them sing backup vocals or them are producers, viewers and subscribers, the teacher will help them get that break what them are look for in the industry. Big up the teacher a good youth. Nobody can tell me nothing. Big up the teacher a good youth, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So move when making in the industry, him go out time way for do it. Him no need for do it, viewers and subscribers. Him choose to. Him choose to do it, viewers and subscribers. I never big up an artist who have a vision like that. An artist who I say, yo, me I do it not just for myself, but for also citizens of my country as well. So that them can get that exposure. Be the first to open the door. And the teacher has done that. The teacher has done that, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, definitely a good look. Definitely an extremely good look, viewers and subscribers. Where the master Shaggy was requested to even audition for Rihanna's album. While I may not agree with that, because Shaggy is a superstar. Shaggy no need. When I say Shaggy have a recent Grammy to him name, recent, I not talk about Grammy for bombastic, When I say man Sting get the Grammy what there for them album production what them put out. I don't feel like Shaggy need for audition. But it also puts something else into perspective into my mind. Vybz Kartel did not have to audition for Rihanna's album, viewers and subscribers. Remember the teacher is behind the bars. Yeah, the teacher is behind the railing. So if it's one artist we know for a fact that did not have to audition for Rihanna's album, a Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, we're going to touch that in a different reasoning entirely. Just for the fans, viewers and subscribers. Just for the fans. We're going to touch that in a different reasoning on a different blog. So stay tuned for that, viewers and subscribers. So we are talking about the fact saying in Europe, to Tanesha, the latest album from Vybz Kartel, do extremely well. As we put into focus the fact that this album was released on the Sharp Bass music label and the Vybz Kartel music label, a newer music label, not the previous record label, or the Jaim Records. Independent. These are independent labels, viewers and subscribers. We just put out the biggest album for the first quarter of dancehall. Yeah, the first quarter in a dancehall for 2020. The teacher have the biggest album, and that is undisputed, irrefutable, viewers and subscribers. Just on the reaction alone. Just based on reaction alone. And sales, you know, so I'm going with the charts. These charts, viewers and subscribers, for those who continue to talk about how many copies have been sold, these charts are charts that songs have to be purchased. These are not just streaming platforms. These are platforms where people purchase music. So the fact that they do extremely well now, Canada and America, you know, sister, the sales them are doing extremely well already. Oh, do not see it? I can't wait for go no official numbers. I can't wait for get the industry official numbers. They say yes, multi-platinum, triple platinum. I can't wait for telling them. I can't, just to own talk about in the comment section. I can't wait for give you that update rather. You know what I mean? Here the excitement that chippy in a while ago. Mispronunciation. You know the something of viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. And for those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, but don't like the reasoning and don't like the point of view, viewers and subscribers, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the blog. Yes, the comment section is always open 24/7, it never lock yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Up move settings, fam. And we don't need no leather. Quick recap. Top 100 in Europe. To Tanesha, the latest album from the teacher, has cracked it, viewers and subscribers. Yes, cracked the top 100 in Europe. You know the something go. My sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.